Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Netgear Nighthawk after firmware rollback. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore your Netgear Nighthawk after a firmware rollback, start by connecting your computer to the router. Ensure your device is connected via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Open a web browser on your device. In the address bar, type 192.168.1.1 or routerlogin.net and press enter. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials. Type in your username and password. If you haven't changed these from the default, the username is usually admin. The default password is password unless you've set a custom one. Once logged in, navigate to the Advanced tab in the menu. In the Advanced section, look for Administration and click on it. Select Firmware Update from the drop-down options. Here, you will see the current firmware version installed on your router. To restore your Nighthawk, click on the Browse button to locate the firmware file you previously downloaded. Select the correct firmware file. After selecting the correct file, click on the Upload button. A confirmation dialog will pop up. Click Yes to proceed. The upload process may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the upload is complete, the router will automatically reboot. After the router reboots, log back into the web interface. Verify that the firmware version displays the updated version you just installed. Check the settings of your router to ensure they are configured correctly. Reconnect your devices to the network to confirm connectivity. Your Netgear Nighthawk is now restored after the firmware rollback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.